Hello guys, today we are here with the Panasonic NA148VG4 and we are going to do a bit of a drum clean on it because I've just done a repair on it, so we're going to do a little bit of a drum clean on it. So yeah, the door seal's a bit, but that's fine. So what we've done first is I am going to be using this, so some Dettol antibacterial, and I put some in a bowl, in a little jug, and I'm going to wipe down the door seal with it. So I've got a brush so I can clean that up, and that I will time lapse this bit. So yeah guys, I can show you now what I've done. So as you can see, the brush is a bit dirty because this machine had never had a clean in its life, and so I've done all of the bits that needs to be done. So you can see back there, look, I've cleaned that off a bit, so hopefully the machine will do the rest of that. I'm going to clean the inside of the drawer now, and yeah, yeah. I've now cleaned the drawer, so it's a bit dirty, but the machine's going to do that. That'll put water in there and that'll dry that out. No, not dry it out, rinse it out, so we won't need to do anything like that. So yeah, all that's left to do now is put it on a drum clean. So I'm going to stick that in there. No, don't stick that in there. And rinse that off. But yeah, so let's shut that up. There you go. I'll put you back down here because, yep. The wash cycle is going to be time lapse, so you won't see the whole thing because it'll be a long video and a long wash. So yeah, let me just move this back. Just bear with me a second. Sorry about that. My parcel came so I can actually put this door seal on properly, because I couldn't do it last night because I didn't have the time and it was not behaving itself. So yeah, let's get this door seal back on properly, shall we? So I won't do this part. So yeah, we're going to now put the stuff in and let it do its thing. So you just move this back out of the way so you can, because I need to shut the door. So let's put the stuff in. So yeah, let's put that in there. We'll grab some water and stick that in there. Let's do it. Go, right, that is on. We'll put it on you can put it on the 60, okay, but we really want it on something that's going to take a bit longer. you go as high as... there you go. Well, that should be it. Okay, alright, so that's on, that's on. That means coming on there, that's that. Okay, don't think we need... we don't need that. Okay. Alright, so that's everything, so let's stick it on. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. So that's now doing its thing, so yeah, I will now put it on time lapse for you. Right guys, so the machine has blown up an error code, and the error meaning draining, not draining. And wanna know why? Because that is all stuff that's come out of that drum. That is absolutely rank. So yeah, that Dettol stuff really works really well. So yeah, well yeah, get that out of there, and yeah, hopefully everything will be okay again. So yeah, I'll go and empty this. And there we go, it's done. So let's see what the results are from the cleaner. Let's see how good it got, how clean it got. Meh, it's not done a particularly great job. If I can pause it, yes, so if you have a look here, So it has done a bit. It's a nice lemony smell. I do like that. It did do the most important bit though, the back, but I think I'm gonna have to do this bit by hand because it's still not got any of that off, so I'm gonna have to probably do that by hand. But apart from that, it's done anything else really nicely. You should have seen earlier, well, I did show you earlier all that gunge that was in there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a little bit of a wipe down, and then yeah, see what I can get of a clean. The drawers come up a bit better. It's not as bad as it was. But yeah, I do recommend the Dettol stuff. This is quite a dirty machine, so it's not going to be perfect for the first time. I'm probably going to run another Dettol one in there after I've done a bit of treatment with the door seal. But yeah, apart from that, it's a really good cleaner for washing machines. So yeah, I highly recommend it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this little review of the Dettol washing machine cleaner, antibacterial stuff. This is a different one, it's a different fragrance, but still the same thing. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.